So now we're going to learn how to place a border around an image. And first we're going to change the color of this background to something a little more color in it, maybe, I don't know, a yellow. Okay, so we're going to do that. So he's got a background now. And he's still selected, or has a invisible background, and we're going to leave it that way. And actually I'm going to move this panel up here so we can see it a little bit better. Now this little button right here is the indicate layer visibility button, and if you click that, it just means that when you're working with this this layer, it selects it already based on the fact that you already have missing pixels. So anything that's not there does not get selected. So it's kind of like an automatic selecting feature. So we're going to reset the default background color, the default colors right here, and with our hoopster layer selected, we're going to lock the layers, which I already did by clicking right there, and then we're going to apply a stroke on it. And a stroke is just a line, basically, that goes around whatever. Now that because we've locked the pixels, it's only looking at the image of the boy and not anything around it. We're going to change it to 3 pixels just so it's big enough we can see it. And then we're going to click outside and see what happens. So click OK. Now you can kind of see a little bit of a line came up. I'm going to undo really quickly and redo. You can see it pops up there, but you can see it a little bit better with the background on. So here, let me, you can see it there. But let's do something else. Let's undo it. I'm going to redo it, and I'm going to make the stroke go on the outside and the center, so it'll center itself right on the edge, and I'm going to make it bigger. And so then you can definitely see it. So that's one way to define your images, by creating strokes, and the fact that we locked this invisibility pixel, the layer, that just means it didn't apply to anything outside of the area that actually had pixels. So it's an easy way to select your item if you have an invisible background without having to go and do the magnetic lasso or the magic wand or anything like that.